Jewish settlers storm Al-Aqsa to celebrate Sukkot. Palestinian scholar blasts Arab League statement. Israel police arrest Jerusalem governor. Very smart not to get involved in Syria, Trump. Trump urges Europe to take Daesh prisoners back. US withdraws forces from observation posts in Syria. Turkey top diplomat to brief parliament on Syria operation. Syrian National Army soldiers reunite with families. Russian president arrives in Saudi Arabia for talks. Tunisia, French tourists killed in stabbing. Grenade attack kills deputy governor and son in Somalia. Iran welcomes Pakistan peace initiative in Gulf.